Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more travel tech reviews. Exploring Hostelworld, your gateway to budget-friendly adventures. In this review, we delve into Hostelworld, a leading booking platform catering to budget-conscious travelers. Links to the platform and its exclusive deals are conveniently located in the description below. Hostelworld stands out as a dedicated platform for travelers seeking affordable accommodation options. Primarily showcasing hostels, the platform also features guest houses and budget-friendly hotels, making it ideal for backpackers, solo adventurers, and anyone eager to connect with a like-minded community. Hostelworld excels in providing unique and cost-effective lodging choices across the globe. A key strength of Hostelworld lies in its comprehensive database, boasting over 17,000 properties spread across 179 countries. Designed for social travelers, the platform highlights hostels that emphasize shared spaces, organized events, and community-driven experiences. Each listing provides detailed descriptions, accompanied by high-quality photos and verified guest reviews, promoting transparency and empowering users to make well-informed decisions. Hostelworld's robust search functionality is another significant advantage. Users can filter their search by price, location, rating, and various amenities, including free Wi-Fi, breakfast options, or private rooms. A convenient map view simplifies the process of finding properties near key landmarks or public transportation. For budget-minded travelers, the platform offers exceptional value, often featuring hostels with prices significantly lower than traditional hotels without compromising on quality. The Hostelworld mobile app elevates convenience to a new level. It allows users to seamlessly search, book, and manage their reservations on the go. Furthermore, the app features a dedicated social hub, enabling users to connect with fellow travelers and participate in hostel events directly. For added peace of mind, Hostelworld offers flexible booking options, including free cancellation policies on many listings. Another valuable resource is the Hostelworld blog, which provides travel tips, destination guides, and advice specifically tailored to budget travelers. This transforms Hostelworld from simply a booking platform into a comprehensive resource for planning and enriching your travel experiences. In summary, Hostelworld presents an excellent choice for budget-conscious travelers and those seeking authentic, community-focused travel experiences. Its extensive property database, user-friendly platform, and emphasis on social travel distinguish it from other booking platforms. Explore Hostelworld via the links in the description below and discover your next unforgettable adventure.